Faith meets luxury and ease as Syandan Aviation Private Limited launches helicopter yatra from Delhi to Khatu Shyamji and Salasar Balaji. In a leap for aviation and religious tourism, Syandan Aviation launches a 6-hour round trip as a game changer for believers. Millions of travelers to two of Rajasthan's most revered shrines, Khatu Shyamji and Salasar Balaji, now have an option to complete the arduous and close to 700-kilometer long round trip from Delhi within hours, riding a helicopter in style and comfort. Private helicopter service operator Syandan Aviation has announced the launch of the new return journey route from August 23rd, with Rohini Heliport serving as the takeoff point. Dr. Kumar Vishwas, former aspirant from the Amethi MP seat, as well as Anil Kumar Sharma, MLA from RK Puram, Delhi BJP, were there at the event to avail this service. It offers devotees a swift, comfortable and hassle-free journey, completing the sacred visits in 6 hours flat. The helicopter yatra, launched by the Delhi headquartered aviation company, marks the continuing trend of rapid expansion in India's rotor wing aviation sector, which is witnessing double-digit growth in passenger numbers and new route launches worldwide. The inaugural flights will depart Rohini Heliport at 9:30 a.m. on the 23rd of August, carrying invited dignitaries and celebrities. The round-trip package is priced at Rs 95,000 per seat and includes food, transport from helipad to temples, amenities to freshen up before darshan, and VIP darshan facility at each location. Devotees can book their seats by contacting the aviation company through their WhatsApp or phone call. This is Gauri Joshi for the NIA, and today we have with us Abhinav Sahai, the man behind the vision for Syandan Airspace, where we have a flight going from Rohini in Delhi to Khatu Shyamji. So sir, what is the vision behind this? Why a 95,000 or a 2 lakh rupees for taking people from Delhi to Khatu Shyamji on a helicopter?
Thank you very much, first of all, for inviting me. But I think you've asked me a couple of questions, and I'll have to tackle them one by one. First of all, we are Syandan Aviation. The vision behind launch of this service is pretty simple. We want to connect all pilgrimage destinations in India. This is a beginning that is going to create a splash, or is going to be recorded as a noteworthy moment in the history of helicopter aviation. We will add several other destinations, pilgrimage destinations to our itineraries and our routes. As far as your question on the pricing is concerned, this is just a beginning. We have already said that we want to make flying accessible and comfortable. Our primary objectives are to ensure that people who have to take arduous long journeys on the road to reach pilgrimage destinations have a more comfortable, convenient and swift option, right? Which not just will be a boon for domestic tourists, but will also place India among countries that offer this kind of a service, and list of such countries would be very good.
So you started this service at a very pivotal point in Indian aviation, because we have had the Air India crash, and there is a lacking sentiment where our celebrities are coming and saying कि हमने flight नहीं लिया है after that crash, and now instilling faith in the helicopter service with dignitaries like Dr. Kumar Vishwas and Mr. MLA Anil Kumar, who is also the Education Minister in Delhi. What is the kind of vision that you want to propel here on, and how is the government supporting you in that?
We would be very happy to receive any government support that we can get. I want to say at the outset that government, through its policies, has been very supportive of the aviation sector. Prime Minister Modi government has done incredible work and a lot of work through Udan services, Heli Seva and Digi Heli Yatra, for the development of this sector. And these policies obviously have led to an increase, not just in fixed wing operations, but also in helicopter operations through regional connectivity scheme. Several more passengers are taking those flights today than they were taking 5 years ago. Several of these destinations have been connected under the Udan scheme, and we would obviously also want to participate in the Udan scheme to provide regional connectivity as stated as part of our organizational objectives.
So I do understand that religion plays a very important part in Indian aviation, especially the domestic and the private players who are going to get into it to support you, to be your customers. But you also started a helicopter aviation for medical supplies, for medical intervention. So how has that experience been, and why not focus there? Why shift your focus to pilgrimage?
No, we are not shifting our focus to pilgrimage. And Sandin Aviation or Sandin Aviation is a new company that has brought together aviation professionals from the industry who have had years of experience in the helicopter aviation sector, and they have started this company with the combined vision of connecting regional connectivity, of expanding pilgrimage connectivity, and providing helicopter air ambulance services network across India. So there is no question of shifting from one vision to another. This is the combined vision that Sandin has, and we hope that we are successful.
What lies ahead for you? Is there an expansion plan in the other parts of Southeast Asia or maybe Europe and Americas?
Right now we are focusing on India. We have an objective of serving this country and making it an aviation powerhouse in line with central government of India's objectives. And why not? In business, we would like to expand further, but our target is in losses.
Are you in losses right now, or is it profitable? The kind of journey that you've had until now, like so far?
We are a startup. We have just begun. So right now is not the time when we start looking at our balance sheets. Right now we are focused on investing into this sector in the hope that the sector will develop and become and give viable commercial returns, not just to operators but also most importantly benefits to tourists and travelers who need this service. Thank you.
Wish you the best, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.